microphone for your team. Okay? Alright, so, Calvin, you want to tell everyone what your sport is?
Hi everyone, I'm in athletics. I do sprints, so I do the 100, 200 as well as the 4x100 relay.
So what's your fastest 100 meters so far?
Fastest is 10.5.
That's 10.5 faster than me. Very good.
Wow, that's really fast.
Yeah, that's faster than me. I zero ma. Really, Mark, you said go. That's me. Alright. Joanne, you did any sports athletic stuff in school before?
Yeah, volleyball.
Wow, volleyball.
Yeah.
It's very painful, you know. How do you do it?
First you get bruised,
Yeah.
then it's okay.
I see, it's kind of like my pole dancing. All the bruises, after that, no feeling anymore.
Yeah, that's really much how it is.
Amazing. Okay, so, well, this is your team, Rose. Okay, now step one side a bit, you'll make friends, okay? Talk amongst yourself a bit, because I'm going to get Roy, his team. Give it up for Miss Belinda Lee and Zina! Answer them below. Okay? Ken, I need a judge to see who put up the fan first, okay? Alright, Suresh will judge this for us. Are you ready?
Yeah!
Where is Team Rose?
Here!
Team Roy! Okay, so much enthusiasm everyone this morning. Hey, morning, Blasi. Okay, here we go. You can scream answers if you all know, okay? Help them. Because it's very difficult.
Don't sabo us, okay?
It's really difficult questions, okay? And you'll win $20,000. No, Bluffy also. Okay, here we go. When was the first time Singapore athletes took part in the Olympic Games? Yes, Rose.
1948.
1948, you're correct. Okay, ready, Roy? Ready, Roy? Ready? Okay, here we go. Second one, How many Olympic medals have Singapore won so far? Rose?
2.
Confirm?
Double confirm.
You're absolutely correct. 加油，加油, yes, you say. Okay, here we go. Which were the 2 sports which Singapore athletes won the medal for? Yes.
Weightlifting and the table tennis.
Weightlifting and table tennis, we'll accept that. We will. But table tennis women's team, okay? But we'll give you that too. Alright, fantastic. The 2 sports was weightlifting and table tennis, the women's team. Here we go. Question number 4. How many times did I take a shower today? I'm just kidding. That's very hot, lah. How many different sports did Singapore athletes participate in 2008 Beijing Olympics? How many sports? Different sports did the Singapore... Yes, Belinda's team, Roy's team. How many? Zina. 5.
Emputado.
Confirm? Emputala, my confirm or not? 5, huh? Anybody got a different answer? How many? 6. What's your answer? What's your answer? 5. Can you name the 6? Table tennis, swimming, athletics, weightlifting, wushu, and badminton. 6 sports. You're absolutely correct over there. Do we have something for audience? Something for the gentleman? Okay, I thought we give you, okay? Okay. Okay, come on, Rose. You win. So what's the score right now? Team Roy! But congratulations as well. Thank you so much. Thank you, Joanne. Thank you, Calvin. Thank you, Roy. Thank you, Zina. Thank you.